A couple of songs from Nothing Rhymes with Crich. You might wonder why use an Appalachian dulcimer when you're singing songs essentially about Crich. Well, they're both hilly places. Florence Nightingale was a great neighbour to Crich. When she got back from the Crimea, she did a lot of good works, one of which was to set up a coffee shop, because she thought the local quarrymen and miners were drinking too much. But this song speculates about how did these men feel about coffee. Oh, she cleaned up Crimea and spent her time here, cleaning up the menfolk of Crich and what stand well. How the quarrymen stank, and they gambled and they drank. She thought it a crime and a scandal. Oh, Mistress Nightingale, give me porter and strong ale. I'm slaving from Monday to Saturday, and me throat is choked with dust, and me lungs about to bust, and you won't quench my thirst with a latte. It was her firm belief that what's done well we chief needed reform, but the brutes mocked and teased her. So into Lea-Hurst in a fury she burst. This place badly needs a barista. Oh, Mistress Nightingale, give me porter and strong ale. I'm slaving from Monday to Saturday, and me throat is choked with dust, and me lungs about to bust, and you won't quench my thirst with a latte. But Miss Florence, me duck, when you're covered in muck, blasting with dynamite all the long day, when your armpits are stinking, it's a beer that you're thinking, not Frappuccino or Cafe au lait. Oh, Mistress Nightingale, give me porter and strong ale. I'm slaving from Monday to Saturday, and me throat is choked with dust, and me lungs about to bust, and you won't quench my thirst with a latte. When you're spitting up dust, the colour of rust, ale and strong porter is what a tired miner sups. When you're coughing up mucus, it won't do to rebuke us. We don't want mocha in bone china cups. Oh, Mistress Nightingale, give me porter and strong ale. I'm slaving from Monday to Saturday, and me throat is choked with dust, and me lungs about to bust, and you won't quench my thirst with a latte. We know you cleaned up Crimea, but it's a Crimea to drink flat white and caramel macchiato. Did you use cappuccino when you treated Grangrino? Spare us espresso and iced cortado. Oh, Mistress Nightingale, give me porter and strong ale. I'm slaving from Monday to Saturday, and me throat is choked with dust, and me lungs about to bust, and you won't quench my thirst with a latte. But she crowned her career as the angel of Crimea, tending the men as the lady with the lamp. So she thought very hard, tried a loyalty card, so they call her the lady with the stamp. Oh, Mistress Nightingale, give me porter and strong ale. I'm slaving from Monday to Saturday, and me throat is choked with dust, and me lungs about to bust, and and you won't quench my thirst with a latte.